In today's video, I'm doing an airbrushed acrylic pour. I have white for my base coat, and then I have blue, purple, and pink mixed up for the colors that I'm going to blow out. Each of my colors mixed with an airbrush medium, which is much thinner than other pouring mediums, and it works really well to thin the paints down significantly for using my airbrush. So I'm just adding a base coat of the white down and using my sponge brush to smooth it out. And then I will start adding my colors along with more of that white to help them move across the canvas. This is a color palette that I've used before, but it's one that I really like using. Sometimes I'll leave a color out, but overall the blue, pink, and purple go really well together. With this technique, I just use small amounts of paint at one time, and then I leave some negative space across the canvas. So I tend to work from one corner to the other. I have my airbrush set at 40 psi, and that works well for me. And I just slowly keep adding small amounts of color and then just keep blowing them out with my airbrush. To help my colors move a little bit more, I just add that a little bit of that thin white paint down too. There's only a small amount of white and a large amount of medium in there, so it doesn't get too muddy mixing in with my other colors, but it's thin enough to help them move more across the canvas. Once I have my first corner the way that I want it, I just flipped my canvas around so that I could work on the other corner and have the colors meet towards the middle. I had one area up at the top that I didn't really like, so I scraped it off and just reworked that area. So this is really forgiving if you don't like certain areas or if they become too muddy. You can just scrape them off and start over. This one dried really nicely. I really like the way that it turned out. I still have some of my colors left over, so I may do another one, and I'm kind of inspired to stencil over one of these. I haven't stenciled over too many of my airbrushed pours, and they create such a nice background. I think a stencil design on top of some of these colors would look really pretty. But let me know what you think down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications. I do put out 3 videos a week, and I will see you guys in the next one.